Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to DevLab.ai. So, guys, in this video, we're going to solve monitoring multiple projects with cloud monitoring. So, guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe the channel for more such contents, guys. So, guys, actually, I have the another lab based on this, which I've been given this short trick example to solve the lab very easily. So guys, in this video we are going to solve this lab step by step form so that you can get an 100% check because the lab is getting the lab has been updated for so far. So I am making the step by step procedure so that everyone could use and gain the knowledge on this. So guys, please make sure that please like and subscribe the channel, guys. So let's start the lab, guys. So guys, I'm going to reviews but not a subscriber, guys. So please subscribe the channel, guys, so it will be more motivated to make such contents, guys. So just copy your password and open your cloud console in ignore mode. So click on next here and then copy your password and paste it here and click on I understand here. So click on I agree and continue. So guys, follow this step very carefully, guys. So the lab will be easily solved within few minutes. So just come back to a lab and click on task number one. So in the task number one, they are going to say that we need to shift the project ID number one to two. So just come back here. So before that, make sure that please copy your project ID number two and then just come back to your lab and then remove this menu navigation menu, and you can see here beside the Google Cloud you can see this quick lab. Click on this and click on this all section and paste it here and do select this. So it start to shift to the project ID number 2. So in the project ID number 2, the another step is to we need to create an instance. So click on this navigation menu and search for compute engine. In the compute engine, make sure that select VM instances. So under VM instances we need to name this as a instance number 2. So copy this and then just click on create instance. So now paste this instance number 2 and Europe West 4, it must be as it is, and Europe West 4B. So make sure that your region must be selected and as well as your zone must be what it is given in a lab, not what it is looking at a display. So make sure that US West West 4 Europe West 4B, yeah, and then click on create here. So after that we need to create here. So the one of the step has been successfully completed, guys. So let me check our progress on this. So you get a green tick here. So this is one of the crucial step you must be followed here. And then the another basic focus step is that, so just in navigation menu, so click on this navigation menu. So at the last and below you can see the view all products here. Click on this view all products here. So we need to observability and monitoring. So search for, where is it, yeah, click on this view all products here, and then below this you search for observability, and then click on this monitoring. So under this monitoring, what we need to do is that in the left panel click settings, and in the settings window navigate to metric scope tab. Click place add projects in the Google Cloud project section. So now just remove this and then do one thing, go for settings here, and in the settings click on this metric scope here, and after this metrics click on this add projects. So in add projects you need to select the project. So we need to select the project ID number 1. So this is the project ID number 1. So make sure that click on this and click on select. So after selecting, click on this add project. This is one of the crucial steps to be followed, otherwise you will not get green tick there. So after this, just come back and then we need to create a cloud monitoring group. So click groups and then click create group, and the group name must be demo group, and then just come back. So above the settings you can see groups. Click these groups here and then click on this create group. So in the create group name must be demo group. So just copy your demo group here, just copy this and then just come back here and paste it here, and then value must be what must be the value, the instance. So copy this instance here and then just come back here and paste it here and click on done here. So click on create. So after creating this group, and the next step is we need to check our progress here. So we get a green tick here, guys. So you must get a green tick. So if you're getting error, please let me know in the comment section, guys. So if you get a success, please comment in the comment section as a success. So at task number 3, now we need to do click an uptime checks and click create an uptime check. So protocol must be TCP, resource type must be instance, applies to group, and select the demo group, and port number 22, check frequency 1 minute, and click continue again, and leave the slider on state create a alert option, alert and notification section. Yeah, title must be demo group, uptime check and etc. So let me go for uptime check. Search here uptime check. So you can see under the detect here, you can see here uptime checks. So select the uptime checks here. So click on create uptime check. So protocol must be TCP and URL must be instance, and applies to group, and group must be demo group and port number 22, and then click on continue. So after continuing this, click on again continue. So click on again continue, and the title must be demo group uptime check. So just copy this demo group uptime check without any full stop. Just copy this and then paste it here and click on create here. So our uptime check has been created here. So the another crucial step is that you must follow the each step very carefully, guys. Otherwise, you will not get a green tick. So click on check my progress after this step. So you will get a green tick here. So in the task number 4, it is a crucial step and follow the each instruction very carefully. If you are missing this, please watch again and subscribe the channel, guys. So before that, see, look here. Click uptime check and alert policy. So just come back here. See, click on this alerting. Below the detect below, you can see alerting. Click on this alerting and click on create policy. So we need to set a metric here. So remove this active, and then just come back here and just copy the check passed. So copy this and then just paste it here. So you can see this VM instance. Click on this VM instance, click on this uptime check, and you can see the check pass. Click on this and click on apply here. So after applying, so you can see here add filters. Click on this add filters. So add filters, select the metric. Under the metric label, you can see check ID under check underscore ID. Select this. The comparator must be equals and the value must be. Just come back here and copy the demo group uptime check ID. Okay, just copy without any gap or a full stop and paste it here. And after that, come back and click on done here. So after clicking done here, so click on next here. So the configured alert trigger must be basic metric absence. So select this and click on next here. So after this, so turn off the use notification channel. So after this, below at the last, you can see name the alert policy. So just come back here and just copy the name. So copy this uptime check policy name without any full stop or gap. So then only you're going to get a green tick here. So paste it here and click on next here. So after getting the next, so make sure that click on create policy. So you will be successfully created the policy, guys. So just come back here and let me check our progress if our test has been completed or not. So we successfully has been completed and we got a green tick. So guys, if you're getting any error, please watch the video very carefully, and the video has been followed very step by step form. So you can without any error, you have also you don't get any errors. So if you're getting errors, please let me know in the comment section. So if you're successfully completed this step, so please make sure that please like and subscribe the channel and comment below success. So let me meet on this next video, guys. Thank you.